Hi, I'm Bhavna Vijay Arora, the political editor of Outlook, and I have with me Pranay Sharma. He's a foreign editor. And today we'll be talking about the impact of the Election Commission order, which has stopped the screening of a biopic on PM Narendra Modi. The Election Commission has acted today. It had been under pressure for a long time from the opposition parties, the Congress and everyone, saying that it was not acting against the BJP. But today they have stopped the screening of a biopic which was supposed to be made on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It was going to be released tomorrow. There was a special screening which was arranged for today. But before that could happen, EC has acted and they are saying that it violates the Model Code of Conduct and it cannot be screened. So, Pranay, EC was receiving a lot of criticism, as we all know, and it was under a lot of pressure. So you think now it has finally yielded, and what has actually happened?
Yeah, I guess what you just mentioned now, because there were murmurs all around that the EC is not, living up to the standard which others have already set, and being independent, and it should have acted. So I think finally it has acted. It is reasserting itself, the role, and which has been established for so many years by a number of election commissioners. And so despite those initial hiccups or worries that people had, now it has been set right, I would say.
But do you think a movie like this, which is inspired, which the maker says inspired by the life of PM Narendra Modi, but which others say is more or less a biopic, which only portrays him in a very good light and only shows everything positive about him, do you think it could actually have an influence on the elections?
See, that's a grey area because nobody really knows. The supporters or the filmmakers would expect or hope that it would have a positive effect. Usually biopic, when we call a biopic, we've seen that in the past, whatever biopics have been made, they put that person in a very positive light. And at times their achievements are also overstated. And in this case I won't be surprised if the same thing was happening. To what extent it would have really influenced the voters or not, that remains to be a debate.
Because the opposition was really hell-bent upon stopping its screening. Because the Congress, in fact, they went on to say that EC, they have been quoting other instances also, that EC has been behaving like Election Commission for BJP and not for India. So I guess even Election Commission had to show that they are neutral.
See, I think more than anything, we can discuss about this, whether how many people would have gone and really watched this movie, even if it was released at this time, and be influenced by that. But more than anything, I think it's the Election Commission as an independent body. Where it was, I'm sure that it also heard that there are a lot of people raising questions about how independent it is. So by asserting itself, it is trying to reestablish that it is actually an independent body.
And anyway, the Election Commission does not have too many powers also. In fact, they only have the power to censor or something if they see, because you see so many leaders saying all kinds of things in rallies and all, where they're pushing the envelope a little, where EC has already said that nobody should talk about the army for votes. And we see PM Modi, Amit Shah, everyone, they're actually saying, they're pushing the boundary a little.
See, this is a game which goes on. You try to push the envelope as much as you can. It's the job of the EC and others who are supervising to make sure that it doesn't cross the guidelines or the boundary that they have set.
But do you think EC should have more powers? Because that has been a question of debate for quite some time.
True. I think, you can recommend and what happens, and because the other person and whoever's violating it knows that if you don't have really a real power, then they can continue to push this, stretch it as far as they can. And if they know that they'll be penalized for this, so then it could be, something which acts as a restraint.
Okay, so finally now they have acted, and hopefully it should send a message to in fact to all the leaders also that EC is kind of probably
See, we are
not
looking at
into
the biopic. I think it's a larger question of because again and again the
Yeah.
point that I'm trying to make is the independence of the election commissioner.
Yeah.
And by doing this, they have said that no, whatever speculations which was going on or whatever worries people had, this is an independent body and we are acting accordingly.
Yes, because EC has said in its order today that releasing of the movie, it would have violated the level playing field which is supposed to be there for all the parties. So probably the EC thought that.
Even handed kind of a approach. So we don't have any favorites. Whoever's contesting, there are guidelines. You will have to play according to it. And we, as someone who's supervising whether these are being adhered to, that is what the stand that they've taken.
So I guess the movie will have to wait for some time till after the elections.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.